Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ben here, and we have the S26 Ultra. It has a length of 163.6 by a width of 78.1 by 7.9 millimeters thin. It weighs 214 grams. The front glass is Corning Monkey Armor 2. The back glass is Monkey Armor Victus 2. And for those of you without a sense of humor, the actual names of the glass are Corning Gorilla Armor. It comes with an aluminum frame or aluminum armor 2 frame, IP68 water and dust resistant, up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It has a display with a dynamic LTPO AMOLED screen with 120 Hz HDR10 plus and 2600 nits peak brightness. Resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, and it is 19.5 by 9, and the PPI is 500. It has a DX anti-reflective coating, and this year's new gimmick is, drumroll please, privacy display. Comes on Android 16, One UI 8.5 with up to 7 major Android upgrades. Chipset is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 5 for Galaxy on a 3nm process. CPU is an octa-core Orion. GPU is the Adreno 840. It comes with either 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes storage, or 12 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage, or the big bad daddy that we have here, the one with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. It comes with UFS 4. Main camera is 200 megapixels. It has a 50 megapixel with 5 times optical zoom and a 10 megapixel with 3 times optical zoom. It records in 8K at 24 or 30 feet per second, or 4K at 30, 60, 120 feet per second. It has a selfie camera, 12 megapixels, capable of 4K at 30 or 60 feet per second. For sound, it comes with Dolby Atmos and high bit rate audio support with Bluetooth 6.0 and Wi-Fi 7. Battery is a lithium-ion 5000 milliamp hour with 60 watt wired power delivery 3.0 and is now capable of charging up to 75% in 30 minutes. Wow. Colors are cobalt, violet, sky blue, black, white, silver shadow, and pink gold. The price is $1299.99 for the 256 gigabyte version, $1499.99 for the 512 gigabytes, and $1,799.99. Yes, that's $1799.99 for the 16 gigabyte 1 terabyte version. And Tutu scores it at 3,892,165. Geekbench gives it a score of 11,566. 3D Mark gives it a 7744 Wildlife Extreme score. Now that we're done with all that crap, let's get into this. I know it's been a minute since I've done this. I bought the S25 Ultra, and I was making a video for it. But guys, I was so pissed about the S Pen, the Bluetooth S Pen. Oh, I was so pissed. I was cussing and throwing stuff. It did not turn out to be a good video, so I did not post it. So I figured we'd try again this year, see if we could do any better. I'm staying calm. I'm staying medicated. I'm staying cool, because we all know that the S Pen will not have Bluetooth again this year, which is bullshit, but Nothing we can do about it, right? Nothing at all we can do about it. What do we have here? We have our S26 Ultra. We have a silicone magnetic case in coral red. And we have a screen protector, anti-reflecting film. I got the coral red because I got the pink one. Okay, anyway, we're gonna tear this bad boy open. Let's see what this beast looks like. Let me get my rag so we can get this. Let's see if this is worth $1,800. Ooh. 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 That looks cool. Yeah, that's not too pinky. It's not too pinky at all. I like it. Wow. It's light. Ooh, it's so light. It's way lighter than this beast. Wow. Oh, it doesn't feel like you're holding anything. That's scary. Ooh. Wow, it's thin too, guys. Really thin. Oh, that's cool. It's pretty cool. Let's see what they did with the S Pen. Oh, God. What the? Ooh. That's why I picked it, guys. I got the pink one because I saw the white S Pen sitting next to it. I was like, oh yeah, that was mine. The white S Pen with the pink gold button. That looked too cool to pass up for me. I almost got the Silver Shadow, but I was like, nah, I already got a Silver Shadow. I already got a Silver Shadow Z Fold 7 or 6. So I don't need another one. I'm gonna get pink because this S Pen looked cool. It's pretty neat. Now, when you put it in, you have to put it in like this with the button facing up, or you're gonna just screw it all up. You're gonna get it all stuck, and then you're gonna have to call Samsung and tell them you're stupid because you put it in backwards, and it's gonna be a big mess. So just try and remember to stick it with the button up, like that. That's cool. And inside the box also we have, I'm trying to remember to do this right. It's been so long since I've done this. Because I did not buy the Z Fold 7. I was not going to buy that. Fuck you, Samsung. Fuck you very much for not putting the S Pen on the Z Fold 7. Okay? That's all I have to say about that. Let's see. We got our books. Sim tool. And do we not get a... Oh my god, don't tell me we don't get a fucking cord this year. Oh, yeah, okay. Not like it even matters, because you can't even use this one with the 60-watt charging brick to charge this damn phone, because it has to be a 5 amp. This is a 3 amp. So the cord they send you in the box is totally useless. Well, it's not totally useless. You can use it to charge it, but you're not going to get the highest speed. God damn it. I'm just going to throw this shit to the side here. Sorry about that. Okay, And now we got our magnetic case. And I got a bonus case too. This is the coolest case that you guys have never even heard of. Well, I'm sure a couple of you have heard of it, and you probably have it. But after this phone, I have one for every single phone I've ever owned from Samsung. From the Note 9, Note 10, plus the Note 20 Ultra, the S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra, S25 Ultra, and now the S26 Ultra. Not this case, but it's a different case. I'll show you guys in a second. Ready? Yeah. Well, that's pink. That's not red. Is it? I don't know. I'm colorblind, so I don't know. It looks pink. Looks. If you put it up next to the phone, it looks pink, doesn't it? Or does it look red? I don't know. Oh, don't know. And the anti-reflecting film, we'll do that another time. Or probably not. I'll probably just end up putting it on there myself and not even making a video. Because you guys all know how to put a film or a screen protector on your phones. If you don't, then you can turn to YouTube, and there's lots of videos that show you how. You don't need me to do that. And I guess that's it. Oh, wait. I need to show you guys a cool case. Da-da-da. The Spigen Slim Armor case. This is cool. This is my case. I have one for every single phone I've ever owned, except for the foldables. They don't make one for the foldables yet, or they haven't at all. I don't know why, but ooh, that's cool. It's thin. It's not a beast like last year's. Last year's was ridiculous. It was. Let me show you guys. I can't show you with the phone because I'm using the phone to record right now, but dig through my stuff here. I've got it somewhere. Right here. Okay. This is the look at the size of this sucker. It's huge, right? Based on that one. Yeah, you can see the difference. And they're cool because, well, last year's had the thing that you put on there to charge it, MagSafe, and it has a cool stand. You can stand it up like this. You can stand it like this. You can stand it like this. But with this year's, I'm not sure if you can do all that because it's like the older ones. This was a different one. This one for the S25 Ultra, I don't know where the hell they came up with this design, but this was way different from all the other cases that are like this. The Slim Armor, all the Slim Armor cases were like this with a little bitty kickstand. It comes up like kind of like the Pro or the anyway. It does sit like that, but you can't do it like this because it falls over or it falls down. So, okay, and is that it? Yep, that's it. We're done. I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.